So the next step in the restoration of the Terrace Garden at Dealán is to begin tidying up all these plastic plant pots. I've done a lot of clearing on the pathways, and I've unearthed some plant pots as I went. You can see there's more lying here and here. And I got a really big bunch pulled out of the weeds that were growing on the pathway down here. All of these came off this pathway here. So just going through those, working out which are usable, reusable, and which are for recycling. That's my next job down here. So much of the pathway has been cleared. I still have a little bit to do here at this corner. But you can see once I get past this corner, then we're back into cleared pathway again. So I spent most of yesterday doing that, as well as some pruning of dogwood. And so the pathways are looking a lot better. So I'm going to tackle, my next job is to tackle into plastic debris. This garden was abandoned for various reasons for about 2 years, and I'm beginning the restoration work on it now, and hopefully by this summer it will be a really nice spot for both humans and wildlife.